How to use Immersive View on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, you can launch a Google Maps in your mobile device. Over here, firstly, tap on this layer icon. You need to tap on 3D on the map details to get the immersive view. After which, in the search bar, you can search for the monuments or the places that you want to view with the immersive view feature. Right over here, you will see this option of immersive view. You need to click on it. After which, you'll get yourself the live or the immersive view of the monument or the place. If this feature is unavailable for your device, tap open your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon and search for Maps. Click on the application and make sure to tap on the update button if there is any available. After the application is up to date, you can go ahead and try out the feature once again. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.